Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can close all Chrome tabs on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write comments, and let us get started with you. So, please open Chrome on your iPhone. And in order to see all the tabs that you have open in it, you'll need to click here, where you can see the number of tabs. And you'll also be able to maximize them if you click on the plus sign. So you'll be able to choose the number of tabs that you want to have there, and you'll be able to switch between them. But what if you want to delete them? How do you do that? Well, first of all, you can click on the tab, and this is where you can close one tab. You can also click on this here cross at the top of each tab to close it. Or you can also click, hold, and here you can select an option, select a tab. That way, you can select all the tabs that you have. If you have a lot of them, you'll like this way because it's going to take a little bit of time. So, once you've selected all the tabs, you have to click Close Tabs. And this way, you will be able to close all the tabs in Chrome in one go. Friends, I really hope this video helped you. You have seen how you can close all the tabs in Chrome on iPhone. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.